Hello everyone. Today we are going to study A Letter to God. This is the first chapter in class 10th NCERT. So the lecture would be in the bilingual format, which means it will be in two languages, both in English as well as Hindi. So majority of the lecture would be conducted in English only. Whatever I say in Hindi would be a repetition of what I have already said in English. So if you don't understand Hindi, no need to panic. Whatever I'm saying in Hindi, whatever I'm explaining in Hindi would be a repetition of what I have already said in English. So, moving ahead, let us know a bit about the author. So, Gregorio Lopez Fuentes, which is the full form of G.L. Fuentes, was a Mexican novelist, poet, and journalist. He was born on November 17, 1895, and he was one of the main figures, one of the leading figures of the Mexican Revolution. And he was also awarded the National Prize of Arts and Sciences in the year 1935. So that's all we need to learn about the author. Also, this story, A Letter to God, in this story, he tells us about to what extent a person's faith can go. The main theme of this particular piece of writing, the main theme of this particular story is faith and hope. Theme means uh, theme means the subject of a piece of writing, the main subject on which the entire writing is based. So as we go ahead, we will see to what extent a person's faith, to what extent a person's hope can go. So yes, A Letter to God. Lencho is the protagonist of the story. Protagonist means the lead character. So Lencho is the lead character of the story, and by profession he is a farmer. So right in the first paragraph we see the setup of this story कि ये story कहाँ पे setup है, कैसे environment में setup है, that we get to know in the first paragraph. So the house of Lenchu is just the only one, the sole house, the single house that is located in that particular area, and it is located on the top of a crest. Crest means low hill, a hill of low height. So from his house, he could see his fields of corns and also the rivers. So what Lencho used to do is he used to stand outside his house and he used to have the view of his farm, of his field, of his crops. And what crop he used to grow? He used to grow corns. वो corns उगाया करता था और अपनी फील्ड के बाहर में ही अपने घर के बाहर में ही वो अपनी फील्ड को देखता रहता था. So the corns were ready to be harvested. उसके जो corns थे वो almost अब पक चुके थे. He was done with the farming part and he was ready to harvest. तो अब वो जो उसने साल भर मेहनत करी थी वो वेट कर रहा था कि अब वो उसे उसका वो फ्रूट मिलने वाला है. अब उसके corns ripe हो चुके थे and they were ready to be harvested. Now the next thing that he needed was just a little rain, a little shower, a little downpour. And uh, Lencho was a very optimistic man, which we will see in the subsequent part of the story. But जो उसका optimistic nature था, जो hopeful nature था, जो positive nature था, वो we are seeing right from the beginning. He was really very hopeful that it would rain soon. He looked at the sky and he predicted कि north east से rain आ रहा है, north east की तरफ से बारिश आ रही है, बादल आ रहा है, and it would rain soon. बट द थिंग्स देन गो एज ही प्लान. जैसा उसने प्लान किया था चीजें वैसी नहीं हुई. ही प्लान दैट देयर वुड बी सम शावर, देयर वुड बी सम रेन और उसके क्रॉप्स जो है वो रेडी हो जाएंगे हार्वेस्ट के लिए. बट थिंग्स डिडंट हैपन एज ही एक्सपेक्टेड देम टू बी. द वेदर सून चेंज्ड एंड द वेदर चेंज्ड फॉर वर्स. वेदर जो है वो बदला, पर जो बदला वो उसके लिए, रेंचो के लिए अच्छा नहीं था. द वेदर चेंज फॉर वर्स. द रेन ड्रॉप्स दैट लेंचो compared to new coins. Lencho compared these raindrops to the new coins क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था कि ये जो raindrops है वो एक तो they appeared silver to him and also he expected that these raindrops would bring prosperity to him. Once he sells the crops, he would earn money. He would these raindrops would bring prosperity to him. उसके लिए prosperity आएगी, पैसे आएंगे. So for this reason he compared those raindrops to new coins. But suddenly these raindrops changed to heavy storm. अचानक से जो माइल्ड बारिश थी वो जो है उसकी इंटेंसिटी काफी बढ़ गई और बहुत तेजी से बारिश होने लगी. After that, Rancho was completely broken. He was completely shattered. उसके आँख के सामने उसकी crops जो है बर्बाद हो रही थी. The crops were getting ruined right in front of his eyes, and he was not able to do anything. He stood there helplessly. और वो देख रहा है कि बारिश जो है वो तेजी से हो जा रही है. Storms आ चुके हैं and his crops are getting ruined. By the end of the storm, जब तक storm खत्म हुआ, what he saw was that his field has been completely ruined. There is nothing left. No corn is left, no leaf is left, and everything is just ruined. So he was completely broken कि उसके साल भर की जो मेहनत थी वो बेकार हो गई. After this, there was complete chaos. चारों तरफ जो है एक उदासी का माहौल था. And but amidst all these sadness, Lencho had some bit of hope, and this hope was the hope of God. जब सब कुछ बर्बाद हो गया तो भगवान पे ही उम्मीद बची हुई थी. एंड इट इज अ नेचुरल थिंग व्हेन वी फाइंड दैट वी आर इन अ हेल्पलेस सिचुएशन, वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग, तो वी जस्ट रिलाई ऑन गॉड. हमें भगवान की ही उम्मीद रहती है. बट द काइंड ऑफ होप दैट लेंचो हैड ऑन गॉड वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल होप. वी विल सी कि जो लेंचो को जो होप था भगवान से वो नॉर्मल होप से बहुत ज्यादा था. द काइंड ऑफ फर्म फेथ दैट लेंचो हैड ऑन गॉड वाज नॉट लाइक दोज ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. उसको पता था कि भगवान ही आएंगे और उसकी मदद करेंगे. एंड amidst all this sadness, his faith stood firm and he knew that भगवान आके इसको बचाएंगे जरूर. So he knew that God will come to his rescue. The next day, he went to the post office. उसके पास एक प्लान था, वो गया सीधे immediately without wasting any time. He went to the post office and began writing a letter to God. एक लेटर उसने भगवान को लिखना शुरू किया. तो वो गया, पोस्ट ऑफिस गया और एक लेटर लिखना शुरू किया जो कि वो भगवान को लिख रहा था. एंड इन दैट लेटर ही वेंटेड आउट ऑल हिज सॉरोज. उसके साथ जितना कुछ भी बुरा हुआ, उसने पूरे साल भर मेहनत की, एंड स्टिल हिज क्रॉप्स गॉट ruined. So he wrote all of these things in that letter and he sought help from God. अब जो है उसने भगवान से मदद मांगी. उसने अपना सारा दुख बयान कर दिया उस लेटर में. एंड देन ही आस्क्ड गॉड फॉर हिज हेल्प. अब किस तरह की हेल्प मांगी? तो उसने सीधे से भगवान से फाइनेंशियल हेल्प मांग दी. उसे लगा कि भगवान उसकी हेल्प फाइनेंशियली करेंगे. सो ही आस्क्ड गॉड फॉर फाइनेंशियल हेल्प. He wrote in the letter that he needed 100 pesos. Now, pesos is a currency used in Latin American countries like Argentina or Mexico. So, as we read earlier, कि जो author है वो Mexican writer है. The author is a Mexican writer. So, this story is also set in Mexican background. So, pesos is a currency of Mexico. So, Lencho asked God for Lencho asked God for 100 pesos in order to sow his field again. अब अपनी फील्ड को वापस से सो करने के लिए लेंचो को 100 pesos की जरूरत थी. And he also said that if God doesn't help him, his family would die of hunger. So he said that the rain destroyed all his crops, and now in order to begin farming again, in order to sow the corns again in his field, he would be needing 100 pesos. And if God doesn't help him, his family would die of hunger. So when the postman saw this envelope, तो जब God लिखा हुआ था तो he understood that this is not an ordinary letter that he comes across every day. हर रोज postman हजारों letters देखता था पर किसी में भी to God नहीं लिखा होता था. This is the first of his kind that the postman saw in his entire career. तो when he saw that to God is written on the envelope, he just took it to his senior, and they both, first of all, they just laughed heartily reading the letter. Once they read the letter, this was something very unique and they laughed heartily. They found it a joke. But the postmaster, who was the senior of the postman, his expression suddenly changed and he became serious. He understood the gravity of the situation. He understood that Lencho, the writer, is in dire need of the help. So he understood that the person is in dire need of help. He was desperately looking for help, and he has asked God for his help. And if he does, and the letter itself suggested that Lencho had firm faith on God. He knew that गॉड विल कम टू हिज रेस्क्यू. तो लेटर पढ़ के ही पोस्ट मास्टर को समझ में आ रहा था कि लेंचो की जो बिलीफ है भगवान पे वो बहुत ज्यादा है, और ही डिड नॉट वांट टू शेक लेंचोस फेथ ऑन गॉड. वो नहीं चाहता था कि ये जो बिलीफ है ये कहीं किसी भी तरह से कम हो, किसी भी तरह से खत्म हो जाए. लेंचो बहुत ही दुखी होता इफ ही डिड नॉट रिसीव अ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम गॉड. So in order to help Lencho, the postmaster devised a plan. Postmaster की intentions तो अच्छे थे, पर सिर्फ वो goodwill जो था, उसके जो नेक इरादे थे, that was not enough to help Lencho. क्योंकि Lencho did not write an ordinary letter. He asked for financial help. So in order to maintain Lencho's faith, in order to keep Lencho's faith, the postmaster did not. The postmaster's goodwill was just not enough, and he needed financial aid as well. He needed also the money that Lencho has asked for. So in order to arrange for the money, the postmaster donated a part of his salary and also connected money from some of his friends. तो लेंचो की हेल्प करने के लिए what the postmaster did, he donated some part of his salary. अपने सैलरी से कुछ हिस्से उसने डोनेट किए, and he asked some money from his friends. उसके फ्रेंड्स भी काफी खुश हुए to do this act of charity, so they happily donated. But still, the money that the postmaster managed to gather was far less than what Lencho has asked for. The postmaster managed to collect only 70 pesos, whereas Lencho had asked for 100 pesos. Still, what he did, that he put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho. उसने एक envelope लिखा जो Lencho को address किया गया था, और उसमें बस एक single word लिखा from God, और just the word was God. तो he signed the letter, the signature was as God, and he put those 70 pesos in that envelope. So when the next Sunday arrived, the Lencho came earlier than the usual time. Lencho जो है normal time से पहले आ गया and inquired if there was a letter for him. So Lencho normal time से पहले आ गया. He was very excited and he inquired if there was a letter for him. So when it was handed over the letter, there was no signs of surprise on his face. Imagine उसने भगवान को लेटर लिखा and he's getting back a response, and still वो बिल्कुल भी surprise नहीं है कि ये response कहाँ से आ गया. Such was his faith कि उसे बिल्कुल भी शॉक नहीं लगा, बिल्कुल भी surprise नहीं लगा अपने नाम का एक लेटर देख के जिसमें सिग्नेचर भगवान का है. He took the letter as if it was a routine affair, एक normal सी बात है उसके लिए, and once he counted the money, he got angry. He immediately took a pen and paper and began writing another letter. तो जैसे ही उसने पैसे काउंट किए ना, he became very angry. He knew कि उसने तो 100 pesos मांगे थे और भगवान गलती कर नहीं सकते. He had such strong faith कि अभी भी उसका भगवान पे बहुत भरोसा था. उसे पता था कि भगवान पैसे भेजने में कोई गलती नहीं कर सकते, भगवान की गिनती भी खराब नहीं है. So 100 pesos मतलब 100 pesos ही भेजेंगे, उससे कम भेज ही नहीं सकते. So he started writing another letter, and अब जो है उसके फेस का एक्सप्रेशन दैट चेंज. ही वाज फ्राउनिंग विथ एंगर. वो बहुत गुस्से में था. एंड द मोमेंट द लेटर फेल इनटू द मेल बॉक्स, the postmaster went to open it. So Lencho wrote the letter, he dropped it in the mailbox, and he went. So the postmaster was very excited to read it. He hoped कि Lencho must have thanked God, or he must have written a word of thanks for the God. But once he read the letter, it said that, God of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lencho. So now, जब वो पोस्टमास्टर लेटर पढ़ता है, उसकी उम्मीद कुछ और थी, बट द लेटर सेड दैट कि भगवान मैंने जो आपसे पैसे मांगे थे उसमें बस मुझे 70 pesos ही मिले हैं, and please send me the rest of the money because I need it very much. I'm in dire need of those money. But मुझे वापस से पोस्ट मेल के थ्रू मत भेजिएगा, क्योंकि पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो एम्प्लॉयज है वो बंच ऑफ क्रूक्स है, मतलब वो फ्रॉड है. विच मीन्स कि लेंचो कहना चाहता है कि वो पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो एम्प्लॉयज है उन्होंने उसके पैसे बाकी के 30 पेसोस जो थे वो खुद रख लिए, वो खुद चुरा लिए. सो यू कैन इमेजिन व्हाट द पोस्ट मास्टर मस्ट हैव फेल्ट आफ्टर रीडिंग इट. उसे लगा होगा कि भलाई का जमाना ही नहीं रहा. So this is the story all about. I hope you must have understood it. So that's it for today. Thank you.